Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you whenever you may be watching. I'm Grant Thomas. Today, it's April 29th, and you can already see it. We're here downtown. The Kings have already blown the amazing 2-game lead that they had in the playoffs, so we're back to square one. But hey, we'll see. We're going to get dinner, LA Live, we're going to Tom's, sort of a repeat of last time, but hey, it's another day of hockey, so let's see if we could actually pull one out. We can only hope. I don't feel so good about it, and nor does he, but we'll see.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in honoring retired Sergeant Bob Donovan of the United States Air Force.
Very disappointing night in a couple ways. You see my neck? You see there's nothing there? I lost my favorite neck gaiter, that thing I'm always wearing. And I've had it for probably like 5 years, maybe 6 years. My parents got it for me when I lived in Utah, so definitely had some meaning to me, so that kind of sucks. But you know, you gotta take the bad with the good. And let me show you the good. McDonald's, the guys are there. Guys that know me, that always hook me up. Look at that. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. It's not hard to just make someone's night like that. And instead of the 3 sauces I was owed, you know, it came with 3. Got an extra 3. 6 total. And what's this? A burrito. How do I have McDonald's and a burrito? Let me tell you. And not to exclude the best chicken tenders I've ever had, but how do I have all this food? How'd I get the burrito? My dad has been going to the same parking lot for years and years and years, and he has an ongoing joke with the guy who we've seen there for years and years and years since I was that big. Call him T. We'll just give him an initial. We'll give him a letter, but T. popped out. He actually came through with the burrito. The whole ongoing joke has been T owes my dad a burrito for the longest time. And we finally get back there today. Crazy. Smells like the best thing I've ever smelled. It kind of has like a just authentic smell to it. It just smells good. But either way, I'm gonna kind of end the vlog here. Things have been crazy lately. I'm sorry for not making more content. I know I need to get on with it. Need to edit tonight. Need to really get on with it. But it will make a lot of sense later. What I've been working on. It's gonna be very, very good. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. A lot of time, dedication, and money. A lot of money put into it. So I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. But anyway, go Kings go. Hopefully we have one more, hopefully we'll have one more hockey vlog in us. But probably a wrap for the season. And it makes the channel interesting. What do we do from here? Pretty much relied on hockey game vlogs. So, we got a lot to go. Got a lot of fun stuff in the future coming up. So we'll see what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.